Hello students, this is your geography teacher Shobha Chaudhary. Welcome back to the next topic of 4th chapter of your NCERT textbook. We are going to learn today about type of subsistence farming. First type which was learned in last video, that was called intensive subsistence agriculture. Now today we are going to learn about nomadic herding. Nomadic herding is part of subsistence farming and it is again done in developing countries and it is done by tribal people. So we are going to start about nomadic herding. Primitive subsistence agriculture includes nomadic herding also. In last video I told you primitive subsistence agriculture includes shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. So shifting cultivation you understood well. Now we are going to discuss about nomadic herding. It is practiced in the semi-arid and arid regions of Sahara, Central Asia and some part of India. Now, what is arid region? Always remember, arid means dry region or desert areas where rainfall is very less. Amount of rainfall is low. So nomadic herding is practiced in the semi-arid and arid regions of Sahara Desert in Africa, then Central Asia and in Thar Desert, which is located in India, in Rajasthan. Now, Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir have two type of deserts. In Rajasthan, hot desert is located. In Ladakh itself is a cold desert. So, these two regions are arid regions, dry regions. In this type of farming, in this type of nomadic herding, herdsmen move from one place to another with their herd, with their animals. Why? They have to move in search of fodder for their animals. So they move from one place to another in search of fodder and water along defined routes. In winter, they have to come down from mountain area to the plain area, and in summer they again move to high altitude from the plain areas in search of grasses. This type of movement arises in response to climatic constraints and terrain. Sheep, camel, yak and goat, these are domesticated by the herdsman. So these animals are most commonly reared by herdsmen. These animals provide milk, meat, wool, hides and other products to the herders and their families. And these herders have to take care of these animals. So this was all about nomadic herding. Again, it is done by the tribal people in selected regions of different part of world. So thank you very much. Take care.